Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you one more important application of PyTorch library, that is image recognition, right? Image recognition, that means just imagine that a company is having 5,000 employees and 5,000 employees images are kept in a folder in company database. Okay, and those images are not recent images, current images, they are just backdated images, previous older images. Now if I go there and if I show them any current image of any employee and ask them that, okay, whether this employee exists in your company, so instead of manually testing each and every image, it is better to put that image in a PyTorch program, and that PyTorch program will recognize that image using those all previous images, and in this way we can detect. Same I am going to showcase you in this video. Now see here, let's go here. Look at this. Suppose we are having the images, right? These are some folders. This is my folder. In this I have kept my four images, right? And in this way, these are the folders of my colleagues also, right? You can see here my colleague's photo, only three photo are there, right? Now what I'm going to do, we have entered one Excel sheet also. In this Excel sheet, the employee data with email ID, right? Only email ID is written. Now this is my recent image, right? This is my recent image, and this is my colleague's recent image, current image, and this image is not, both images are not existing in our company database image. You can see here, company database image, this image is not existing. Let me show you here, right? You can see here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me show you the program. See here, we have uploaded all these images, right? Now first of all, I will detect my image, right? Ashwin Juvekar 2 image, and this image is not existing here in the image folder. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, first of all, we will run all the libraries first. Look at this, I am going to run this library here. So we have imported all the important libraries. Second part, we have to import all the image and resize every image, because all the images might be of different size, so we have to resize the image and load into the data set, right? This is our second step. We have executed this, loaded into the data set. So all the classes are class name. It has made an array of class. Now this is the CNN model. We have pushed these classes to this CNN model, right? And it will check each and every image. After that, it will convert it to tensor. Then you will see here the criteria, cross entropy loss. Actually, whenever we resize the image, or whenever we uh, compress the image, some loss is there in the image. So we have to calculate that. So it will calculate all the loss, right? And then it will start the train model. It will train the machine that please, it will train the machine capable enough to that it will be able to recognize any type of image, right? Then look at this, finish the training is done. Now what happened, look at this, predict image. Now predict image works. Now here I have put my own image, right? The current, not previous, and it is not available in that company database. Now see here, I have run this and predicted class. That's a second, 1 second. Here, let me run it again. Just a second. I will run it from the beginning. Here I have executed this first. Then I will execute this. Okay. Then I have to execute this CNN model. Okay, CNN model. Then criteria optimizer. After that, here we go. The train model. Okay. Now But next, finish training, okay. And and then I will run this prediction of image. And just a second, image, okay, copy path, just paste this here. I will. From the beginning, we have to test it again, something. Now again, I'm going to run this. Okay, and then I have to put this content Ashwin Javekar too, and then just a second. I will copy this path. Then again, I will run this. Yes, look at this. I have given this Ashwin and image. Ashwin image is here, and after that, if I run here, so it will do Ashwin. Now this is my image, right? Now let me show you one more thing. Look at this. Now if I show you this content inside this content, now look at this image, right? This image is not existing in this image folder. Look at this in the company database. She is my colleague and she is having these images, but this image is not there, right? So what I will do, I will again change the image. Look at this Kanchan, right? So now I will take the path here, copy path, and then I will change it with his. Okay, I will change it here. Now again I will run from the beginning, and then I will show you this. Here I have imported library. Then we have transformed and resized the image. After that, we have to put it into the CNN model, and then it will calculate the loss. And after that, we have to start the train model will work here, and after that finish the training. Now see here, I have put the Kanchan image. Okay, now see, and it will run, and then look at this predicted class Kanchan, and in this way I can extract the email ID of Kanchan. So you can see here this image was not existing in this image folder. You can see this, right? This image was not existing in this image folder, but it successfully detected. So this is how this main CNN model, and the process is very simple. Just collect the image, resize them, then put it into the train model. Before that, you have to calculate. It will calculate the whatever the loss of that image was done during the resizing process. Then we will put it into the train model, and then we will predict image. This is the program of predict image, and then it has predicted the image successfully. So guys, this was how the PyTorch library works. I recommend you to try this such type of program from your side, and if you face any type of difficulty, then put it on the in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like my channel so that you will get the notification of the latest videos. And next, in our next video, we will see some other functionality with some other algorithm, right? So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.